Hello everyone. Welcome to Mahdi English School. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is the class of Standard 1 in which right now we are going to learn about maths. So, you all are ready, my dear students? As per every day, we will start our class with a beautiful thought. Thought for the day is, education is all a matter of building bridges. Education is all a matter of building bridges. So, let's begin our class. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, numbers up to 100. So, what's included in this chapter? What we are going to learn? Let me explain first that in the chapter number 5, what we are going to learn. Learning objectives for the whole chapter. That what are includes in the chapter numbers up to 100. We will learn match the numbers, counting in tens, write the number names, fill in the missing numbers, fill in the boxes, count how many, numbers after, before, between. We will also learn comparing numbers, arrange the numbers, counting backward, counting in jumps. Let me repeat the learning objectives for the chapter. Match the numbers, counting in tens, write the number names, fill in the missing numbers, fill in the boxes, count how many, numbers after, before and between. Comparing numbers, arrange the numbers, counting backward, counting in jumps. This was the introduction of the whole chapter, that in the whole chapter what we are going to learn. Now let me explain what we are going to learn today. So first of all, we will get introduction, then match the following, tens and ones, missing numbers, and as per every day we will recite the table. Okay? So are you ready? Our first exercise is match each bunch has 10 grapes. Look, we have to match the bunch of grapes with given numbers. Have you seen what they have written? Each bunch has 10 grapes. Means this is the bunch of 10 grapes. Okay? So how can we count this? This is the bunch of 10. So 10 and 10, 20. 20 and 10, 30. 30 and 1, 31. So we can say that this group is becoming with number 31. So now find out number 31 in this column. Where it is? Look, here it is 31. So match it with 31. Next bunch is 10, 20, 30 and 40. There is 4 bunch of grapes. So we can say that it is 40 and 40 plus 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is number 44. Now find out 44 in this column. Where is number 44? Here it is. Match it with 44. Okay. Now look, this is only one bunch. It means this is 10 grapes. And we have to add how many grapes to it? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 10 and 5, 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So, how many grapes are there? 15. Okay, so we have to match it with number 15. Where is 15? Look, this is 15. Okay. Are you enjoying this? You want to make practice about this? So at your home you can draw the different shapes and write the numbers and you can match it. It is very enjoyable. As we have seen that each bunch has 10 grapes. Look, here how many bunches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we have only 5 bunches. We don't have any more grapes to add it. So, what do you say? How many grapes are there? If here we have only 5 bunches, then it is 50. Match it with 50. Now look at here. Here we have 2 bunch of grapes, 1 and 2. And now, as you all know that each bunch has 10 grapes. So, what can we do? We have to add the remaining grapes to these bunches. 10 and 10, 20. And we have to add 4 more to it. So, 20 plus 4, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So, we can say that here we have 24 grapes. Match it with 24. Okay? Have you understand this? Now look what's next. Now we are going to learn counting in tens. How we can learn it? Look, these friends are packing sweets into bags. Each bag has 10 sweets. Apurva has packed 6 bags, so he has 60 sweets. Each bag has 10 sweets, okay? And Apurva has 6 bags. So, if we count 10 times 6, we get 60. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 6 tens, which is 60. Shanai has packed 7 bags. So, he has how many sweets? Look, these are the bags of sweets and Shanai has 7 bags. Okay? 10, 10, 10. This is 7 times 10s. So, 7 times 10s means 70. So, we can say that he has 70 sweets. Okay? Purvi has packed 8 bags. How many bags Purvi had packed? 8. Okay? Each bag having 10 sweets. Okay? Look, this each bags are having 10 sweets in it. We have to add these 8 times 10. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we can say that this is 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. So we can say that she has 80 sweets. Okay. Natasha has packed 9 bags. Natasha has packed 9 bags. And as I told you before, my dear, that each bag is having 10 sweets in it. Look, here we have 9 bags. And in each bag there are present 10 sweets. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we can say that this is 9 tens. 9 tens means 90. Okay. So we can say that she has 90 sweets. Ahmad has packed 10 bags. Okay, and as we all know that each bag is having 10 sweets in it. So how can we count how many sweets does Ahmad has with him? Look, this is the bag of 10 sweets, and as we know that Ahmad is having 10 bags with him. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 10 tens. It means 100. So we can say that Ahmad is having 100 sweets with him. He has 100 sweets. Okay. So this was the introduction about tenses. How can we count tenses? Now, as you all know that right now we are learning about numbers 51 to 100. Okay. So how can we count tens and ones in this number series? Let's see. First of all, we will learn about the 50s. Okay. How can we write tens and ones in 50s column? Look, write the numbers. One has been done for you. As we have 5 tens and 2 ones. Look, this is the building of 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we have 2 more. 5 tens and 2 ones. So, whenever we are going to arrange these numbers, 5 will place on tens column and 1 will place on ones column. Okay. So, this will become 5 to 52. Now see what happens next. Here we have 5 tens and 5 ones. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 ones. What does it means by? It means 55. 1 5 will place on tens column and the other will go on ones column. And what the number will become? Yes, the number will become 55. 5 tens and 5 ones means the number is 55. Now get the introduction of the 60s. Write the number. One has been done for you. Look, this is the 6 buildings of 10 blocks. Okay. What does it means by? It means this is 6 tens. Wants to count it with me? Look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It means 6 tens. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It means this is 6 ones. What does it means by? It means 6 tens and 6 ones. Look, this is the column of tens and this is the column of ones. So 6 tens of column there will go 6 and we have 6 at ones place also. So we have to write 6 in ones column. So by writing this number we can say that the number is 6666. Now look at here. This is 6 tens and 4 ones. Look, this is the building of 6 tenses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 tens and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 ones. So in the tens and ones column we have to write 6 at tens place and 4 at ones place. By writing this number we can say that the number is 64. Now we will know about the 70s. Write the number. Look, this is 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 tens and 1 and 2. 2 ones. Now see how can we write it. First of all we have to prepare the columns of tens and ones. Okay. And as there is a 7 tens, so we have to write number 7 at the place of tens column. And we have 2 ones, so we have to write number 2 at the place of ones column. Okay. By arranging this number we can say that the number is 7 to 72. Okay. Now look at more example. This is 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is 7 tens and we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 ones. By observing this we can say that first of all we have to prepare the column of tens and ones. Okay. And as we have 7 tens, so we have to write 7 at tens place and 4 ones. We have to write number 4 at the place of ones column. Look, 7 will go on the tens place and 4 will go on ones column. Okay. By observing this pattern we can say that this number is 74. The 80s. Write the number. Look, this is 8 tens. Wants to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 tens. And we have 1 and 2. 2 ones. What does it means by? It means, look, if we are going to arrange this as tens and ones, first of all we have to create the column of tens and ones. Okay. And then as we have 8 at tens place, we have to write 8 in the column of tens. And we have 2 ones, so we have to write number 2 at the place of ones column. Now look, by observing this pattern we can say that this number is 82. Okay, let's understand it with one more example. This is 8 tens and 4 ones. So what we have to do now? First of all we have to create the column of tens and ones, and then we have to write number 8 at tens place and number 4 at ones place. And by arranging this we can say that this number is 84. Okay. So this was the introduction of tens and ones. Now we are going to make practice about missing numbers. Let's do it. Look. So we have to make practice of numbers 51 to 100 as a missing number. How? Look at the screen. Here we have some numbers and there some numbers are missing. So how can we find out the numbers? Do you remember the after numbers? Huh? Yes, this will make us help to solve this fill in the blanks, okay, or to solve this missing numbers. So what do you say? After 51, which number will come? What should I write here? After 51, there comes number 52. Okay. After 52, number 53. After 53, we have already the number 54 as we are practicing missing numbers. So, what do you say, my dear students? After 54, which number will come? Yes, there comes number 55. Okay. After 55, we have already number 56. So, if we want to fill the next box, we have to write the number just comes after number 56. After 56, there comes 57. And we already have number 58. So, think in your mind, what will come after 58, my dear students? Yes, after 58, there comes number 59. Okay, and at last, after 59, which number will come? Yes, there comes number 60. Look at the screen. Here, we have the numbers starting from 61. Look, we have 61, here we have 63, here 66, and we have 69, and so many blanks are there. So how can we fill up these blanks? How can we find out the missing numbers? My dear? Yes, after number will makes us help to solve the missing number. After 61, which number will come? 62. We have 63. So after 63, there comes 64. After 64, 65. After 65, we have number 66. And if we want to continue this, after 66, we have number 67. Then we have number 68. After that, we have number 69. And at last, number 70. You have enjoyed this? Yes, you have to write this in your fair book. I will send you in the group. Okay? So, you have to write these missing numbers in your maths fair book. Okay? You have to give heading chapter number 5 and write question 1 missing numbers. Okay? I will definitely send you this in the group. Number 71. So, we have to fill up these missing numbers. Look, we have 74, 76 and 78. The other numbers are missing. How can we find out these missing numbers? By following the after numbers pattern. Okay? After 71, there comes 72. After 72, there comes 73. We already have 74. So, what will come after 74? 75. Then 76. After that 77. Then we have 78. After 78, there comes 79. After 79, we get number 80. Okay? We have number 81, 83, 86 and 89. And we have to fill up this missing number. Okay? So, let's start counting. After 81, there comes 82. Then we have 83. After 83, which number will come? 84. Okay? After 84, which number will come? 85. 85. After 85 we already have number 86. So which number will comes after 86? Yes, there comes 87. After 87, which number will come? 88. Then 89. After 89, which number will come? 90. I hope you all enjoy to fill up these missing numbers, okay? We have the columns of 91. Here we have 94, 96 and 98. So are you ready? Can you solve it by yourself? Let me help you. After 91 there comes 92, then 93, 94, then 95, 96, then 97, 98, 99 and at last 100. So my dear students, have you enjoyed? Have you understand how can we write missing numbers? Wants to do it by yourself? Okay. Do practice at your home in your homework book and fair book. Okay. So now which time is this? At the end of every lecture, which time is this? Do you remember? Yes, this is the time of reciting the tables. Which table we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn table of 3. You all are ready, my dear students. So repeat the table after me, huh? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. So, have you enjoyed what we have learned today? Today we become familiar with numbers 51 to 100, in which we learn about tens and ones, and then we make practice of missing numbers, and at last we recite the table of 3. So I hope everything becomes all right. You all come back to school soon. We will meet soon, and till then stay safe, stay happy, take care of self, my dear students. Thank you and bye-bye.